how to disable Instagram account. For that, open your Instagram app. After that, click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Now click on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right. Next, tap on the Account Center option. Here, you have to scroll down and just click on Personal Details. After that, at the last place, you will see the Account Ownership and Control option, and just tap it. Here, you have to tap on the Deactivation or Deletion option. And now, select your Instagram account. Here, make sure you must select Deactivate Account and click on Continue. Now Instagram will ask you to enter the password of your account. And by the way, if you don't know the password of your account, just check the video link in the description to know your Instagram password. After entering the password, just click on Continue. Now Instagram will ask you the reason for deactivation, and here just select the most relevant option and tap on Continue. Here, scroll down and select after how many days you want to activate your account again, and if you don't want to automatically reactivate your account, then select Do Not Reactivate Automatically and click on Continue. Finally, tap on Deactivate Account, and now you are done. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.